Hey friends, do you see a honeybee hovering over that flowers in the garden? Yes, Honeybee. Honeybee. Honeybees have 5 eyes and 6 legs. Bees fly about 20 miles per hour to collect honey from different kinds of flowers. Honeybees, when they lose their stinger, they die. There is something called as bees dance. Yes, when they see each other, they communicate dancing to find honey and water. Do you also know bees never sleep? Honeybee.